Look up, live free, dream big and see the world.
Ja, to je nekako prva slovenska ekipa v razredu MXGP. Jaz sem se odločil, da bom imel bazo kar pri meni doma. Prednost je sigurno v tem, da lahko izbiram sam svoje materiale in ljudi okoli sebe, ki mi pomagajo in tem pripomorejo tudi, da naredimo čim boljši rezultat.
Anywhere that I've been before, I'm flying, man. It's kinda crazy, like my feet are lifting off the ground. I'm touching heaven with my hands now to get the sound. But though I'm flying, my head is still level, and I won't be bound down to hear the whispers of the devil. Now the future is here, and it looks real bright, and it can be yours too if you set your path right. I know life can be hard, but you were put here to win. Just refuse to quit when you're down and get back up again. Man, I used to write my music from my tiny bedroom, and though I dreamt of being free, I felt trapped like in a tomb. And even though the times are
Vztrajal bom do konca, ker verjamem v mojo ekipo in v moje cilje. Vem, da se s trdnim delom tudi lahko daleč pride in nekako bi lahko rekel, da je to moj moč.
Careful who you listen to, who watch all of the things you do. I hate to break it to you, not everyone wants the best for you. Who try to take the dream inside you, they see they're flat out jealous and envy all the things you will be. Yeah, just hold your head up, man, and keep on moving on. If I would've never struggled, then I wouldn't have the song. But don't get me wrong, no need to stack up your strife. You gotta watch the ones who you let speak straight into your life. Cause the artists, they will sing you all their fancy little songs with the funny little beats and all their catchy sing-alongs. But the messages they give are not the kind you should be fed. It's a recipe of lies they try to get stuck in your head. Man, I see some rappers sold their souls, I won't be selling mine. No need to find a source when you're eating from the vine. You thought that I was done, but now I'm leaving you